Hey guys, Windows 8 Team Hacks here, and I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 8.1 aka Blue on the Microsoft Surface Pro. Now, what you're going to have to do is download the ISO image. I'm going to have the links in the description, and you're also going to have to download Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. And the link is going to be in the description as well. Now, once you have those downloaded, you're going to make a USB bootable drive. Now, you can do that with Windows 7 USB DVD download tool. If you don't know how to do that, there's going to be a link in the description and an annotation. Once you have that all done, just go to the start and you're going to search for disk, and go in settings and then create and format hard disk partitions. Now with this, you're going to have to go to action, create a virtual hard disk, go to browse, go to computer, go to Windows C, and create a new folder and name it VHD. Once you have done that, go to into the folder and name the virtual hard disk Windows. Once you do that, just click save and change this to gigabytes and put 60. And since I'm using the Surface Pro with 128 gigabytes, it's going to be more easy for me to use 60 gigabytes, and I would recommend it having that fixed size instead of dynamically expanding, because when you install it, it's going to expand it to the 60 gigabytes. And during the installation, it will say that it can't boot since there's not enough disk space or something along that lines. And yeah, you could probably put it to 40 to 50 gigabytes if you're running on the 60 gigabyte one. Now, I'm not too sure how much space you have free, but yeah, I'm gonna use 60 gigabytes. You could probably use 30, 40, 50 gigabytes depending on how much space you have free. And yeah, just click on OK. It will create the virtual hard disk, and then it will use up all the space currently right now that it's going to be using, but it isn't finished completing, so just let that complete. Now that it's done, just you can just exit out of disk management and then go to settings, PC info, PC settings, go to general, and you're gonna have to change the settings of a few things, so you're gonna have to go into advanced startup and restart now. Now just go ahead and restart it. And then click on troubleshoot, go to advanced options and UEFI firmware settings. Now in here, you're just gonna disable both of these and then exit setup. Now for the next part, you're gonna want to have the touch cover or type cover for the Surface. And yeah, you're gonna have to have the touch cover or type cover for the next part, but it's pretty similar to the last one for what you're gonna have to do. And go to Advanced Startup again. And go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Command Prompt. Just select your user and enter in your password. And from here you're gonna have to have your USB plugged in. Now that you have the USB device connected, just enter D and then that. Once you go there, go Sources. Sorry, CD Sources. And then Setup. Once in the setup, just select your country. Accept the license terms. You may have to enter in you may have to enter in a key if you're doing a clean install on another computer such as this. But since it's Surface Pro, it will automatically detect your key provided from the OEM, which is Microsoft. And then just click Next. Click on Custom. And then from here you'll see multiple drives. Since you're installing from a virtual hard disk, just click on Function, Shift, and End on your on here. Then just enter select, well, Diskpart. Once you get into Diskpart, enter select vdisk. And then File, then the equal sign, and then D, and the same little two dot things. And then enter backslash VHD backslash Windows VHD and then enter. Let's try that again. Okay, so it might not be D, so gonna have to try C. Okay, it was in C. Now enter attached vdisk. And then exit. And then once you're here, just refresh. And then scroll down to where it shows the virtual hard disk. And then next. Now this process can take some time, so I'll be back to you once more important parts show up. So it just finished doing a few things. Right now it's prompting me to select which one to boot from. That top one, which is volume 8, is from the virtual hard disk, I believe, and 4 is the main operating system. Now from here, just select what you like. There's a few new colors, I believe. I'm gonna go black. And then just enter in a name. I'm gonna title it Windows Blue. Well, I'll name it Windows 8.1. Oh, you can't, so I guess I'll just keep it Windows 8 Blue. Click Next. I'm gonna use Express Settings. I'll enter in my name. Can't log in since there is no internet access because there's no wireless drivers for some reason. They added the try this after your PC is ready, I believe. On Windows 8 Pro, or on the Microsoft Surface Pro. Haven't found a way to activate it yet. But as you see, there's been quite a few updates. It has full pen and touch support, as you might have seen from the PC info. Just rate the system. And yeah. Now I'll show you how to install the wireless drivers. Just go onto another computer. I'll do that in a quick second, so see you in a bit. Now, what you're gonna want to do is go to your web browser, go to Google, and just enter in Windows. Well, Microsoft, Surface, Surface Pro, wireless driver. And then go to this one, I believe. The link will just be in the description. And yep, there's all the drivers. I'm just gonna download the new driver and then save it. Go open, and then I'll extract it to the flash drive that we installed Windows from. Extract. And then just restart to the to Windows 8 Blue. Go to volume 8, or whatever volume it says that it's on, and then go to your flash drive, and then just copy that over to Documents. Open up the Charms bar, go to Settings, PC Info, Device Manager. Scroll down to where it says the wireless device, update driver, and then as you see in there, browse my computer for drivers, and then it will automatically select Documents. Click Next, it will install. Once installed, you can connect to your wireless device. I won't share anything. And once it's connected, you can go to whatever you want to. Go to on the internet and use it freely. But one thing I noticed is that you can't activate with any key that you use. it will say Windows not genuine or some stuff like that. Haven't found a way to activate it quite yet, but yeah, that's basically everything I wanted to show you. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's fully running on Windows, the Microsoft Surface Pro with it's not a virtual machine or anything. It's using all the full resources. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you today. And yeah, this has been brought to you by Windows 8 TM Hacks. Like, comment, subscribe.